What we do here is go back.
Hey Lexies! Hey, what's up? It's your girl 7Lex Spirit and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be a little different. I received this request from several of my subscribers on how to implement logos into your editing software, and let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to launch my editing software, Adobe Premiere Elements 13. This is one of my main go-to editing softwares. I have Final Cut Pro X, I tinker with that as well, but I'm more comfortable with Adobe Premiere Elements. I'm gonna give this a little time to load. I'm gonna click Video Editor, Existing Project, and Project Tutorial 1. And as you can see in the corner, Adobe Premiere Elements 2019 is available. You can do this function in many different software, editing software such as Wondershare, Final Cut Pro X, Sony Vega, and I believe Movie Studio. But for now I'm going to stick to Adobe Premiere Elements, and there are several different versions of it, so eventually I'll upgrade. So here we go. Okay, it's loading. Loading project. Alright. So we're going to play our clip. If you notice, there are no social media links on the side. Well, logos such as Twitter and Instagram. Alright, so in this video, we're going to shed light on this. Okay. So what we're going to do is look for Google Images. And this is our main go-to. Go to Google Images. Google Images is your best friend. Alright, load up Google Images. And we're going to type something along the lines like Instagram logo transparent PNG. This is what we want. Okay. Now I like this one. This one is called My Interest. It's a nice design. Waiting for it to load. Now notice the background right here. This indicates that this is transparent. So what we're going to do is right click, save image as. Go here. I'm gonna name it something like Pretty Pink Instagram logo. I don't know, just a spur of the moment type of thing. Alright, save. Now we're gonna look for Twitter. Alright, so same thing. Twitter logo transparent. And since I like the color pink, I'll add that in my search as well. Okay, let's see. What are we? I'll go with this one. Yeah, I'll go with this one. Now that we saved our logos, so now we can drag and drop it, or we can simply hit the add button. I prefer dragging and dropping. This is where we add different types of media, files, and folders. Okay, now I'm gonna look for the name. I think I named it Pretty Pink Instagram. Yeah, here we go, right here. And the add media file, we can add videos, multimedia, sounds, you name it. So here we go. Drag it to my video. Drag it to the interface right here. Drop. There we go. Make this, decrease the size to make it appropriate for the video. It should be fit right here. We can get creative. We can do anything you want to do. See? Drag and drop. That's the best thing I like about this Adobe Premiere Elements. I'm sure other editing softwares such as Final Cut Pro, Wondershare, I believe those editing softwares have this feature as well. You can pretty much use any type of editing software to your liking, but since this is my favorite and I mastered this editing software, this is a common go-to. That's about the right size. Now notice we can drag it all the way down. We can drag it to where the duration only fits for the first clip plays. So it's best to get creative. Now let's add the Twitter icon. I believe I named it Pretty Pink Twitter logo. Yeah. Alright. Here it is. No. So match it up to the Instagram logo as possible, much as possible. That should be about good. Right there. Now that we have our logos, we're missing words. So don't fret, this is easy, not a problem. So what we're gonna do now is add words. And make sure you save frequently. Save your project just in case the editing software closes out unexpectedly. It's always important to save and have a backup. So now what we're gonna do is add text. So simply go up to here, click default text. Just waiting for it to open. Here we go, add text, perfect. Click the arrow right here, the move arrow. I'm gonna go right here. And now I'm just gonna type my channel name. So my channel name is 7LexFairy. And we're gonna do the same for the other one. If we want our title to last, during the whole video, during the whole clip, we can do the same thing. And I'll give you guys an example of that as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag these down to show you. Bam, look at that. Now this can play throughout the entire video. Or let's say if I didn't want my handle to be displayed throughout the entire video, right here. Shorten the logos as well. And shorten them up. Just gotta line them up. Voila! And there you have it. That's how you incorporate logos and text within your editing software. Now here's one more bonus tip. Alright. Hypothetically speaking, look at this pretty Instagram logo. Now, suppose if you wanted to use this in your video or within your blog or wherever. Now notice the background is not transparent. Don't panic, it's really easy. It's super easy, believe it. Alright, so right now I have Microsoft Word 2016 or 17, I believe. So you simply click the picture and all the sizing handles appear. Now you're going to hit the format button. Now notice on the left you see something that says format background. Click it and something should appear. Yep, the purple. The purple right here indicates that this is going to be removed. Whatever is highlighted purple is going to be removed from your picture. So if you're satisfied with the result and how it looks, simply hit the check mark that says keep changes. Now, notice the purple background is gone. This picture is transparent. Now if you're satisfied, just simply right click it, push save as picture, and now we're going to save it. Let's just call it, I don't know, beautiful Instagram logo. Okay. Believe it's saved, it's blinking. Here, let's say if we didn't like the pretty pink Instagram logo, we can just hit the delete, click it one time, hit the delete button, go in here, hit add media, files and folders, and we're going to look for something, what we named it. Mine is beautiful Instagram logo. It's a PNG file. Drag it right here under video 2, size it up. You may have to also resize it, yep, because it's kind of large. Right click, select beautiful logo, close this box out, and then here we go, we have our replacement. Line it up, make sure it's nice and neat. Make it a little smaller. And voila. So, yeah. 2 ways to make a photo transparent. Photo or an icon. You can either go on Google Images and search for that particular photo, or you can use the feature that I showed you in Microsoft. Use the format feature. But only thing about that is if you're not using Microsoft 2016 or 2017, I think 2016 or higher, this feature won't be available in your Microsoft Word software. So make sure you're using Microsoft Word 2016 and higher. Oh, and one more thing. So hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to like, comment, share it, and become a part of the family. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications if you guys want more videos. And feel free to give me some video suggestions. And if you have any more video tutorials in mind, be sure to drop me a comment, let me know, and I'll be sure to check it out for you guys. Alright, so until next time,